Hello everyone! Today, we're going to discuss an important topic, how to permanently delete your Mega account directly from your phone. There are various reasons why you might want to say goodbye to your account, whether you found a better alternative or simply no longer wish to use this platform. Regardless of the reason, make sure to delete your account carefully, as all your data will be permanently erased. Launch the Mega app on your phone. If you're not logged in, enter your login details. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner and select Settings. Scroll down and find the Delete Account option. Tap on it. A warning will appear, informing you that all your data will be permanently deleted. Think carefully about this action. Make sure you've downloaded all the files you've stored on this platform, as you will no longer have the chance to recover them afterwards. If you're sure, confirm the deletion. To complete the process, you need to access the email you used for your Mega account. I used Gmail, so I'll open it now. The email arrived quickly, in just a few seconds. Here's what it looks like. Click on the red Close My Account button. To finish the process, you'll be asked to enter your password. Type it in and tap Delete Account. And that's it. Your Mega account has been successfully deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.